Massachusetts health officials announcing new cases of vaping-related injury and illnesses in the Bay State. As the statewide numbers continue to grow, it matches those on the national scale.
This as the Vapor Technology Association is suing over the governor's 4-month ban, releasing a new ad attacking similar policies. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in studio.
On September 30th, there were 83 reported cases of possible vaping illnesses in Massachusetts. Just 2 weeks later, that number bumps up to 152 cases. Massachusetts already has the much protested ban on vaping sales, but for Bay State vapers who cross the border to get their supplies, Connecticut health officials are now taking their concerns to Capitol Hill.
There have been situations where many people are now reflecting, saying that I have had respiratory distress, respiratory illness over a span of years.
Connecticut's top health official now expressing fear that vaping has been causing illnesses for years before the crisis. Her concerns come as Connecticut's surrounding states all have some type of vaping ban in place.
This is one clear example because of the loss of our young people and the addiction that we see, that we really do need funding to support a true surveillance system that is at a state, at a local, a state, and a federal level.
It's a system that would have to play a significant catch-up with the growing number of possible vaping illnesses. Massachusetts Department of Health tracking 70 new cases in the last 2 weeks. Of the 152 cases now reported, 29 cases were reported to the CDC. 63 cases are under active investigation, and 60 have been ruled out. Breaking down the 29 confirmed Massachusetts cases, the split is even between male and female patients and spread out among age groups. Though most report using THC only, playing into the black market concerns, some reported using only nicotine.
It is not allowable for the tobacco industry to regulate itself.
But the Vapor Technology Association claims they're trying to keep people away from big tobacco. In a new ad they released to Western Mass News, they're asking voters to oppose any and all bans on flavored vape products.
In their ad, claiming flavored vape bans would put 150,000 people out of jobs and turn vapers back into smokers. The VTA has filed a lawsuit on behalf of Massachusetts vape shop owners. But at the hearing on Capitol Hill, a member of Parents Against Vaping recalled a conversation she had with a mother whose daughter had fallen ill with a suspected vaping illness.
She said, "The doctors really don't know enough. How can you help me?"
A room full of people sharing their worst fears of what could happen if help doesn't come soon enough.
A whole generation that has perished or have severe chronic illness that will impact.
Western Mass News reached out to the Vapor Technology Association on the status of their lawsuit, calling Massachusetts vape ban unconstitutional. We're awaiting their reply. Reporting live in studio, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.